The Philippine government is fast-tracking its waste-to-energy initiative, a program that converts city garbage into usable power. According to the Department of Environment and National Resources, these facilities will significantly reduce waste volumes, as communities will be able to bring their garbage directly to designated waste-to-energy sites. Officials say the system aims to cut landfill dependence while producing electricity from solid waste. DENR further assures the public that the project will reduce environmental impact as much as possible.
Yun po yung aming role, masiguro na yung environmental impact nitong mga technologies na ito ay within standards. Especially that meron tayong batas na nagsasaad na bawal ang incineration generally. But as long as this incineration ay mag-i-emit nung within standards, sabi ng Supreme Court, allowed naman po. Kaya pinaiigting natin ngayon yung pag-aaral natin ng mga technologies na ito